Writing results-oriented newsletters and autoresponders. Email marketing is a great tool to have in your online advertising arsenal, and having it automated is the best approach to using it. Newsletters and autoresponder messages are the two ways in which you can automate your email marketing efforts. In this video, you're going to learn how to produce and create them using both conventional and self-hosted email marketing software. Newsletters. Newsletters are informational emails sent by businesses to people subscribed to their mailing lists. These informational emails are used to send people information about promotions, new products, and general updates. Up to 90% of people prefer to be updated about businesses through email, so here are some tips for writing results-oriented newsletters. Use persuasive and creative subject lines. Make your newsletters balanced. Your newsletter content should ideally be 90% informational and 10% promotional. Organize your newsletter content vertically. Include only one call to action in your newsletter. Using a self-hosted email marketing service to create a newsletter. Start in your MailZingo account, click on the Messages tab, and select Newsletter. Click on Create Newsletter. You can either select the inline editor if you want to use templates, or the plain text editor if you want to send text-only newsletters. In this video, we are going to show you how to use the inline editor to create visually stunning newsletters with a few clicks. Start by entering the message name, the subject line, and your from name. Enter your from and reply email addresses below, and click Next to select a template to start setting up your newsletter. Click on Next once you're done. In the following section, you'll be able to select whom to send your newsletter to by selecting to include or exclude subscribers from a campaign list. Now, use the sending options and select to either send your newsletter immediately or to schedule it and send it on a later date. Once you are done here, click on Send to deliver it. Using a conventional email marketing service to create a newsletter. In your Aweber dashboard, go to the Messages tab and click on Broadcasts. Your options to create messages here are the drag-and-drop email builder, which will allow you to use templates to edit your emails, the plain text message editor to create text-only messages, and the HTML editor for advanced users. Let's use the plain text message editor. Start by entering your subject line. Use the Personalize menu to personalize the message and create your message in the text field below. Use the clip icon on the bottom left to insert an attachment if you need to. Click on Save and Exit when you are finished. Now, click on Send options to customize your message by selecting Schedule Broadcast. Use the Who should receive this message and the When should this message be sent options according to how you wish to schedule your newsletter. Leave the default message options checked and you're done. Autoresponders. Autoresponders are emails that are sent to people according to certain criteria. These criteria include new subscribers, website visits, purchases, and so on. Autoresponders are a great way to automate your email marketing efforts, and here are a few killer tips to write results-oriented autoresponders. Include a recognizable sender or a catchy subject line in all your autoresponders. Offer something of real value in all your autoresponders. Include a mix of informational and promotional content in all your autoresponders and focus content on the receiver. Using a self-hosted email marketing service to create autoresponder messages. On your MailZingo dashboard, start by clicking on the Messages tab and select Autoresponder. Then click on Create Autoresponder. You can select to create your autoresponder messages with either the inline or the plain text editor. Let's use the plain text editor to create nice autoresponder messages with a few clicks. Enter your message name, your subject line, and your from name. Choose your from and reply email addresses and click Next to go to the email text editor to write your autoresponder message. You can click Next once you are done. Now, select to whom you'd like to send your autoresponder message from your campaign lists and click Next. Now, use the sending options and select to either send your autoresponder email immediately or to send it on a later date. Once you are done here, click on Set Autoresponder to finish. Using a conventional email marketing service to create autoresponder messages. On your Aweber dashboard, go to the Messages menu and select Legacy Follow-up Series and click on Create a Message. To create an autoresponder series, you can use the drag and drop email builder, the plain text message editor, or the HTML editor. Let's use the plain text message. Enter your subject line. Use the Personalize menu to allow Aweber to use subscriber data to personalize your autoresponder message, and then create your message in the text field below. Click on Save and Exit when you're done. Now your autoresponder message is ready. You'll just need to schedule it.